All right, we are talking about Chapter 2 and what you want to focus on while you read Chapter 2. So all good stuff. I think you probably are pretty familiar with most of this stuff too. It's just basic concepts of cost accounting, and I think you probably saw a lot of this in Accounting 2302 also. And it is the sort of stuff you'll remember. Things like costs are different from expenses. Understand that. What is a cost object? Direct versus indirect costs. What is a cost driver? The definition of a driver. There's a difference between a product and a service. I'm sure you just kind of instinctively get that, but read through that. Going to be talking a lot about direct materials, direct labor, and overhead. So if you don't remember those concepts, refamiliarize yourself. What's the difference between a supply? What's the difference between indirect materials? You want to understand those concepts. There's this concept of prime costs and conversion costs. You might not remember those, but it's a pretty simple concept, so read that. Don't forget, we probably will be calculating some of those when we get to our homeworks and quizzes. Certainly, I think it's important that you understand the cost of goods manufactured, cost of goods sold. I really want you, when you get to those pages that show cost of goods manufactured, cost of goods sold, the financial statement, the income statement with cost of goods sold on it, understand those. If you have sort of forgotten that multiple step income statement, review that. Pay attention to that. You'll want to understand the difference between traditional and activity-based costings, because we will be doing both of those. So understand what that is, so when we get to them and drill down, you'll understand the concept. But finally, towards the end of that chapter, there's a little bit of information, bottom of page 49 through 51, which is about choosing a cost management system. So we aren't going to be concerned quite so much with systems in this class. Obviously, there is a computer system. We use it to track costs. But I'm more interested in you understanding, I guess, what's going on in the system. So the actual how to calculate the costs. So that's what we're trying to learn here. All right, so go read Chapter 2. Check back in with me if you want to review the PowerPoint with me. I'll have a PowerPoint video for Chapter 2 and another video where I work a couple of those little problems where we are looking at prime versus conversion costs, the kind of things you'll see on the homework. All right, have a great time reading Chapter 2 and get back with me after you do that.